If you are looking for the best bonuses to sign up for OfferLab, you're in the right place. And I actually know that for a fact because I've gone to like 7 of my competitors, looked at their bonus stacks. Some of them I even signed up under them and checked their bonuses. And I'm telling you, my bonuses blow theirs out of the water, and you're going to get them 100% for free when you sign up through my link in the description. So in this video, I want to go over them. If you saw my previous video, I actually broke all of these bonuses down through this, but since then I've added some, and truthfully, even the ones I'm about to share with you now aren't all of them because we're still building them out. This is just such an exciting launch, and I'll talk about this in a minute, but when you win, I win. So I want to give you all the resources I possibly can so you can succeed. So let's talk about this. Now, when you sign up, you're going to be on this page, but this can change over the next few days. They're probably going to be changing this out. If you sign up before at least August 26th, it's going to take you to this page. You'll come in, you'll enter your info, you'll click submit, you'll create an account, and then you'll be linked under me. When you do that, that's when I will give you access to your bonuses. There's also a certification. You can decide whether you want that or not. Let's go over the bonuses, and then we'll walk through it a little bit more. So when you click the link down in the description, it's actually going to take you to this page right here. It was getting so much that I actually wanted to have an opt-in page that gave all of the bonus info in one place because I'm continuing to add them. So what you'll see, this is the old video I made that went over the bonuses. This video is what will be there by the time you get there. All you're going to do is click on this link. But before I click on it, let me show you the bonuses that we've built out. So these are the exclusive OfferLab bonuses, and there's actually more than you see here, but these are the 10 of them that I've listed so far. The first one is make 100K a year with ghost pages. Now, the reason we included this is because this is a strategy I actually gave to one of my VAs that she is running every single day, and she will do 6 figures for our business over the next year utilizing this strategy. But what it really is a very unique traffic strategy that I have her doing with a high ticket affiliate offer. So you learn the offer that she's using, you learn the industry that it's in, and if you don't even want to use it for that, you can still implement the strategy for OfferLab, for whatever affiliate offer you're doing, for whatever product you create. It's a really unique strategy that ties multiple things together to make sure you rank on Google. Next is my lead magnet guide. This is one of the things I do is I love stacking affiliate offers or affiliate bonuses like this. In fact, if you ever are buying anything online, just email me at info@jakethornhill.com. This is the initial slide, but I love giving you guys tons of free value for something you're buying anyways. But sometimes what I do is I go out and actually purchase the rights to products so I can give them away. I have courses that are $500 to $1,000 that people are actively buying those courses at those prices that I'm able to give you guys for free because I paid significantly more for access to them. But this one is actually a massive guide that walks you through different types of lead magnets. So when you get into OfferLab, whether you're an affiliate or an offer creator, what you can do is give someone this valuable thing, like literally any of these bonuses could act as a lead magnet. You give them this valuable thing, and in exchange, they give you their email. With that email, you're then able to remarket to them over time. But this is going to allow you to understand the psychology behind a lead magnet and also give you a ton of examples, and you can decide which one is best for your business. Slide Cash Loophole is actually a full course. It's not like 10 hours or anything that's going to, it's very short, it's actionable, but by the end of it, you will have another traffic source that most people don't know about. If you're tired of using social media for literally everything, this talks how to use slide decks to get traffic to your offers. It's also part of what we are using with our ghost pages strategy. Next is the viral post templates. I always forget to pull these up, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't have them up. I think it's in the other video if you want to watch that. But they are I think it's broken up into 8 different sections. So it's like brand awareness, different like categories, and then tons of videos under them. But 223 viral posts. And what I like to do with them now, I've used these for about 3 or 4 years, but what I do with them now is I'll plug them into ChatGPT that already understands my business. Say, hey, I want 5 different posts like this, and then it just spits them out for me. It's really, really cool. And you'll never run out of content again. Number 5, and all of these are free. The top 5, literally just for signing up. In fact, I know some people will probably like have 2 emails and they're signing up under one email and another under another email just to get my free bonuses. That's fine. If you choose to do that, that's not going to hurt my feelings. These are 100% for free if you sign up under my link, and they get even better if you decide to buy the upsell. So the 25 AI prompt pack is designed to create really valuable lead magnets and bonuses. So this was originally when we were building out PDFs. But if you've ever read a PDF, if you've ever like gotten crappy lead magnets or crappy bonuses, this is the design of this is to solve it. So they talk about going deep, getting good research, actually valuable content that you're presenting to whoever you're giving the lead magnet to. Because here's the thing, if you give someone a bad lead magnet, everything else you say will not matter to them because their first experience with you, the first thing they got from you sucked. So the combination of a really good lead magnet and these prompts to really make it deep and valuable are going to be awesome for your business. So all those are free just for signing up under my link. Again, all you're going to do is you're going to go click this big red button. It's going to take you to the next page. It explains to you exactly what you need to do, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But again, all you're going to be doing is signing up under my link. So let me show you in just a second. Now, if you decide to get the upsell, completely optional, Russell explains it in his video. The upsell allows you to get 2% merchant fees for life. So let me talk about this just a little bit. One of the reasons I'm offering so many bonuses, and guys, like you're about to see a ton of value here, but on top of that, I'm adding more because it's not just incentivizing you to buy the upsell. If you buy the upsell, the way it works is OfferLab is actually offering a % of their merchant fees. So any platform you use, you are going to be paying the platform how they make their money, a percentage of your sale. It's not a huge percentage, but it's a small percentage. It's every platform. So what OfferLab has done to motivate people like me is part of what you would be paying them, they give to me. So instead of them taking, I don't know what the percentage is, instead of them taking 4%, they say, okay, we're actually only going to take 2%, and then I'm going to give 2% to Jake because Jake brought this person to my platform. So what these bonuses are designed to do is not only incentivize you to sign up under me, which I obviously want you to do, I actually want you to win. Like I am incentivized for you to go make $1 million on OfferLab's platform because I'm going to get 2% of it. And it's not coming out of your money, it's out of OfferLab's side of the deal. But it's free money, so I want to help you drive more traffic. I want you to make more sales. Like I want you to succeed with OfferLab because it's mutually beneficial. So I wanted all that to be clear because it's super important in understanding why we're delivering so much value. And on top of this, why I am incentivized to continue to add more and more so you win. Okay? So the first one, this one's simple, but it's a list of my best affiliate programs. I mean, these are high ticket ones. These are my recurring ones. These are ones that I don't talk about with other people. There are a few on there that are just absolute gold mines. So that's going to be yours. Now, this second one right here was the last one in the last video. And then we have 3 more that we've added here recently. And you're going to be a little blown away by this here in a second. Number 7 is a 100 pack of digital mockups. So I don't know if you've ever had this problem, but I did. I used to see these really cool mockups on sales pages, on affiliate lead magnets, all over the place, right? Like people who are presenting their offers in a really good looking way. And I had no idea how they did it. So what this is a pack from Canva of 100 different ways you can package your product to give to people. So all you do is you drag the image straight into the Canva template and it makes it look incredibly professional for you. Again, I think in the other video, I actually went through the pack. So I think both this and the viral templates I put in the other video, but I forgot to pull up for this one. Sorry, but this is an awesome bonus. Love, love, love using this thing right here. Was 100% worth buying access to that to be able to give away and to personally use. The next one is Hidden Traffic Formula Course. This is another one. Like people obviously know how to drive traffic or that you can drive traffic through social media, but there are things out there that are just unique angles that people don't usually use. So things like slide decks, things like what you'll find out about inside the Hidden Traffic Formula Course. These things are going to drive traffic to your offers, drive traffic to your created offers or affiliate offers in ways that there's a lot less competition. So that's broken down inside that course. Again, it's a full course, incredibly actionable. It's not fluffy, but it's going to help you get up and get another traffic source in your business. This one is wild. I actually didn't think I would ever share this with anybody. So some of you who are on this page right now are here because of this. This is one of my biggest advantages over the competition. And some of you are going to be like, oh yeah, that's exactly how I got here. So this is now, be fully transparent, like it is a paid course. It is something that you have to go buy, but I don't share it with other people. You will not find me talk about this literally anywhere else online. Again, I want to tell you about it because if you make more money, I get 2%, which what's 2%, but I still get a portion of your success. So I want you to win, which is why I'm sharing it here. You do not see this anywhere else because I don't share it anywhere else. So it's a tool that actually allows you to get a crazy amount of data about people that you can then market to. So there's two ways it works. There's called search leads and site leads. Search leads allows, again, I don't want to go into like the nerdy side of kind of how the AI works, but it's an AI that allows you to get data when people search a specific term. So for example, if someone were to search free OfferLab bonuses, I can set up a parameter for that search, which then I get the information of everyone who goes out, not even on my site, but on any site and searches that term. I then get access to the information and I can cold email them immediately saying, hey, looking for OfferLab bonuses. So I immediately, there's a buyer who has intent to do something. I can get that information and then give them my bonus pack in this example. So that's the search leads, incredibly powerful. The next one is site leads. So the way it can work is you can put this piece of code on your website, and every time someone shows up on your website, just like with the search leads, you get access to their data. So if you're not like in this world all the time, usually you can only get that information from them if they opt in, right? So if they opt in, I now have your email, and then I'm able to remarket to you. But with this, I actually get your information when you hit a page like this. And then I'm able to immediately cold email you and ask you like, hey, is there anything else you need? I saw you checked it out. Like, do you need more bonuses? Do you need information on signing up? Now I can start a conversation with you based on you coming to this platform. I think a typical opt-in rate is somewhere between like 20 and 30%. This makes it like 70 or 80%. You don't get 100 because there's some technical aspects of it. People have to have opted into certain things. But now I'm getting like 70 or 80. I'm getting more than double the amount of people who come onto my site that I can then follow up with. You can guess how much that affects conversions. So this is why I made this video. I think these three bonuses here on the end and the last one I'm about to show you, which is crazy that I'm showing you this, are just worth their weight in gold. I mean, I think they're incredible bonuses. The last one, I don't even want to talk about too much because I don't know how YouTube views this, and I could see this video getting shut down because of it. I'll let you read it. I am going to give you a one-on-one introduction to the guy who helps me with YouTube. So just like this one, it is something you would have to pay for, but you go on Flippa, there are YouTube channels for sale that are 5 figures. This one is 3 figures. It's mid 3 figures. It's a crazy deal. I'm trying to be very careful because I don't know what YouTube flags there. I'll let you read it. You'll get access to that. I'm going to leave it there. That's a crazy bonus, by the way. And then secret, I have other things that I have in my mind. For example, I'm building out my entire email swipes right now, which are very, very intensive. And the plan is to put all of those up. I've got a few other resources that I'm going to put up. And depending on how much momentum we get, I will probably do more and more strategy sessions on how to promote and how to win. Because at the end of the day, if you win, I win. And that's how I'm building this out. So we're going to be going really hard for the next week and a half as the launch goes on up until cart close. Then my channel will go kind of back to some of the stuff that I was planning on doing originally. But I want to do a full video over all these bonuses. I think I've got so much value for you guys. And I actually thought about doing a video going through other people's bonuses. I don't want to be that guy. I wouldn't want someone to do it to me. I also don't want to crap on their bonuses because they do have some value in them. It's not that they're bad, but I think we've really blown this package out of the water. So I'm really excited to share it with you. Make sure to click this button. Let me walk you through the process just so you know. You're going to click this button right here. And it's going to take you to this page. This page just explains to you how to get access to those bonuses. So watch it. I mean, this thing is like maybe a minute long. You're going to click this, and it's going to take you to the sign up page, which right now is this page. That can change because as the launch goes through, I think they're going to put out 3 videos and then the primary webinar and then probably something before cart close. So whatever is like the main page to sign up is what you will get when you click this sign up button right here. Once you sign up and you make your OfferLab account, just email me at info@jakethornhill.com and I will send you access to your bonuses. Again, this video is going to walk you through exactly that, but I wanted to make sure it's very, very clear because I know some of y'all are so excited about these bonuses, as you should be, and I want to make sure I can get them in your hands and that I can help you win with OfferLab. Thank you so much. Please do leave a comment, subscribe, like, all the fun things, and I'll see you again soon on the next video.